Hey guys, how are you doing? If you want to remove the DuckDuckGo as the default search engine on your iPhone or iPad, you can follow these simple steps to remove and set any search engine as your default search engine on your device. So first navigate inside the settings app and then scroll down to the apps section and then navigate inside the Safari. It will be first under the S alphabet, and then you can access inside the search engine. By default it will be selected to Google, but if you changed it for some reason or you have installed DuckDuckGo application or a browser and then you have, which in turn changes the default search engine on your entire iOS device to DuckDuckGo, and you want to change it back to Google or Yahoo, Bing, Ecosia for some reason, you can access and set the default search engine for Safari browser as the first thing right here inside the Safari settings. Once done, it will allow you to search directly in the address bar. Once you have changed the default search engine for the Safari browser, when you navigate inside the Safari browser address bar, you can tap and start searching and it will use the default search engine that you have configured. Another reason that users see that the DuckDuckGo is being used in Google Chrome and other browsers is it has separate settings, so you need to navigate inside the Chrome browser in order to access the browser settings from the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then navigate inside the settings, and here it has a separate search engine option. So if it is set to DuckDuckGo or anything else, then you need to change it back to Google or the search engine that you want to use on your browser. So for Safari users and for Google Chrome users, this is the way. If you're using any other browser, the DuckDuckGo browser itself, then you need to follow the similar steps within the browser app settings to change it. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comment below. I'll check and answer you at my available timings. And just to give a quick heads up, if you're looking for any family medicine tracker application, do check out KVO. It will help you to track all your personal medication with history, and you can also track your health events like doctor appointments, refill alerts, tests, doctor reviews, blood donation tracking. If you have the habit, you can keep a complete history of when you have donated and when the next schedule comes up that you will be eligible to donate. Free water tracker feature, and you can add different type of medications for you and your family members like your parents or your kids, and you can make sure that they are not missing their medications, as you will promptly receive early reminders and due notifications with refill stock alerts when there is a possibility that you need to buy the medicine for them. It'll be a beautiful app. You need to try it. The link is available in the description in the first comment, or you can search in the App Store for KVO as a family medicine tracker application. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. Thank you and have a wonderful day.